In primetime news this evening, Integrity Commission recommends that no charges be laid against Prime Minister Andrew Holness in conflict of interest investigation. Cabinet Minister questions timing of ruling in the matter against the Prime Minister. And later, major police operation on the way in St. James.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Keys.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, this evening we're talking about tourism. The Prime Minister is urging more collaboration to increase tourism resilience. I'll explain that and more later in the business day.
Thanks, Andrea. And Karen Madden is here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Javon, after naming captains of the T20 and the ODI teams, the West Indies lead selector had some explaining to do. He says their hands were tied. I will explain later.
There's also weather, and Romain is here with a preview. Romain?
Thanks so much, Janella. Now, despite the cloudy conditions we have been having in the mornings with the showers across the east, in the afternoon things tend to dry out, and because of that we're expecting drier conditions to continue over the next few days.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime later in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your views on the Integrity Commission?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News package returns right after this break.